How to delete folders in Windows 10 Mail. This video assumes you already have an existing email account and it's configured in Windows Mail. Now let's learn how to delete folders from Windows Mail. First, choose the mail account in which you want to delete a folder, then click More. Then right-click the folder you want removed, click Delete, then click OK to confirm. Note that if there were any messages within the folder, they will be deleted with the folder. If you deleted a folder and therefore messages by mistake, you can recover them easily. Deleting messages only moves them to the trash folder. You can just as easily move them back from the trash to your inbox. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to delete folders from Windows Mail.